1993 twin turbo Supra. This car was originally imported from Japan. I just bought the shell, no engine, no transmission, no front end, no doors. It took me about 3 years to get this car up to where it is today. Still gotta work on the suspension. I bought the suspension already. Due to the coronavirus, we can't really be out, try to stay self-quarantine. And these coming days, I'm gonna be putting a few videos out there for you guys. I'm also working on a CRX. Today we're gonna be focusing on removing the front lip, the factory front lip from the Supra, and installing the aftermarket one. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse right now, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, well, it looks like I'm gonna have to remove the front bumper. That is due to some brackets right here in the corner. It's not allowing me to get to the bolts there, so we're gonna have to take the bumper and remove these plastic rivets here. Alright guys, so I think I already took all the screws away. So let's go ahead and remove the bumper. Let's go ahead and remove it. Let's see. Right, so the bumper's removed, and a little bit of leaves in here. Wow, took nearly 25 to 30 minutes just to remove the bumper. Crazy. So we went ahead and installed the front lip already inside the house. And what we're gonna do now is install the bumper, and I'm gonna put you guys on another time lapse so I show you guys what it looks like in the final result. Alright guys, so we went ahead and installed the lip, and it looks 20 times better now than what it did before with the factory one. Alright, let's go ahead and pull it out and wash the car. Lip is installed. Wow, what a difference now. Definitely a must upgrade on your Mark IV.